Okay, so without wasting your time, let us move on to the first program. Now, the operating system that I use is the Ubuntu, and C compiler comes pre-installed in this operating system. So you can directly use terminal, or if you want to use you know a good IDE, then you can use Genie or you can use code blocks. They are available in the market, the app market. So here you just type the name of the software and you will get it. So the first program is the Hello World, and pretty much every language, if you are learning any new language, then the very first program would be the Hello World program. So I'm going to do it in the terminal, and the later tutorials I will do with the code blocks. So this is the terminal, and let me just change the directory to desktop and make a file. So in Linux, if you want to create a file, then you should use the nano editor, then the name of the file, hello underscore world.c, and the extension of every C file is obviously .c. Hit enter and you will come to a notepad kind of editor. So the very first thing is to include the header file. So right now there is only one header file that is important to us, and that is the stdio.h. It is standard input output. Then whenever a C program starts its execution, it starts with the main function. We have not learned about the functions, so you will come to know in the next tutorials. So int main and the curly braces printf. Now what is printf? It is a function which prints the text on the console. Hello world. Now this /n is called an escape sequence. So it is just like the next line. So a new line is added at the end of the hello world. And this semicolon is used for termination of each statement. And return 0. So this is pretty much our first program. Now to save it, press Ctrl O, hit enter, and to just get out of the editor, hit Ctrl X. Now the compiler, we have to compile this file, this program. So to do that, we need a compiler, and right now I'm using GCC. So type GCC, then the name of your file, that is hello underscore world.c. Then we are going to make an object file or output file, -o hello, hit enter. Now the file is compiled, and you can see that this is our C file, and this is our file which is compiled. Now in order to execute that, just type ./hello and hit enter. So you can see the hello world is written over here. So you can modify the program and do some stuff with the program. This is the pretty much first program and your entry into the huge world of C language.